The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a tornado emergency for Jackson County in northeast Alabama until 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado near SKYLINE, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations near the path of this tornado include ESTILLFORK, SKYLINE, and Stevenson. Seek shelter in an interior room, such as a closet, bathroom, basement, or hallway. Use blankets, quilts, or pillows to cover yourself.